This video shows how to connect the Nextbase 322GW Dash Cam to your Android phone using the MyNextbase Connect app. Now we go through the initial Dash Cam setup steps. You'll need your phone and Dash Cam together to complete this tutorial. Select your preferred language. Select your location. Your country, for example, we are using UK and Ireland. Next, select your preferred speed unit. Automatic time and date setup, press OK. To enable emergency SOS and more, you need to connect the dash cam and the phone, so press OK. So on the phone, press and open the MyNextbase app. When you see the welcome message, press Next. It requires the location information, so press Allow. We know the dash cam serial number from the sticker on the underside. Press on the dash cam icon. Now there's a Bluetooth pairing request. Double-check the number is the same as the one shown on the camera. Press OK. This is the firmware checking stage. It's very important to update the firmware at this stage if necessary. If it's not up to date, you'll see the Update Firmware button. This dash cam already has the latest firmware version, so press Continue. Live View is available. Tap to enable and it will connect to Wi-Fi. Previously, it was on Bluetooth. Move down here and we can go to the dash cam. We've been using the dash cam, so a number of videos are already stored on the SD card within the dash cam. Coming up now are the thumbnails of the videos with the date and time, size and duration. You can play the videos from here. We can see the video and the Google map, plus telemetry, details of the journey, speed and direction. That's the first of 3 screens. Swipe to the next screen to see G-sensor information on the X, Y and Z axis. The third screen shows the maximum speed, average speed and distance covered. Now you can go back to the map or back to the details of everything on the dash cam. Press the hamburger icon for more options. Long press to select a video, and we can delete, protect or download it. So let's choose a video and download it. When a video is downloaded, it can be viewed in the library. There's the video now downloaded to the phone with all the telemetry. All the details of the drive. And now there's more information, the GPS strength and the number of satellites available. That's the setup of MyNextbase Connect and the Nextbase 322GW Dash Cam, straightforward as long as you follow the steps in this video. If you have any questions or comments, please contact Nextbase Technical Support via phone, the live chat on our website, or by emailing support@nextbase.com. Thanks for watching.